All right, guys, we have the ITEFDTUTNE Tattoo Stencil Printer. This is a wireless Bluetooth tattoo transfer stencil machine with 5 pieces of transfer paper. So you get 5 transfer papers included to get you started. This will also work with your smartphone and iPad. So this thing's very cool. Going to be great for tattoo artists or aspiring tattoo artists to be able to bring your work to life. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll actually try it out and show it in action. So here's the transfer paper. You've got the yellow side and the white side there. So we're going to use that here in a minute. We've got five of those. All right, and we got a quick install guide. So basically, there's an app that you can use. So for Apple, you search and download the TOEC Tattoo app. And then also for Google, the Google Android store, you do the TOEC Tattoo app. Or you can actually scan the QR code there as well. So it gives you a fast way to get started. This is a very compact piece of equipment. It's sturdy but lightweight. Let me go ahead and get it out of the package so you can see what we're working with here. So it's very simple and easy to use. It inserts here and then it comes out this way. So here it is from the top. You can see you've got the paper insert here. You can see the sizes A4 and B5. You have the power button, the copy button, the Bluetooth and power button there. You also have your charging port there on the side. And all we do to charge it up is USB. Super easy, guys. That's what we love about this new technology. All this equipment is just so easy to use. Now, keep in mind, this can be used via Bluetooth, but you're going to need to charge it up at some point. So it's USB-C. That just goes right in there. Other end goes into a USB port, like into your computer, or a USB port wall adapter, which, good news, they also have the adapter. So if you want to plug this directly into the wall, all you do is plug it in there and plug this into the wall. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this set up on my computer, and then I'm going to give you a different shot and show you it actually printing. So we'll be back with that. All right, guys, so the printer is fully charged up. We've got it Bluetooth connected to my phone. Now what we're going to do is put one of the 5 pieces of tattoo paper in the printer. And you can see it just got set up there. Now what we're going to do is we've got it hooked up to the app, which you can download in the App Store. I'm just going to select a photo. Sorry, I've got to approve it. Full access. Yes. All right, so, all right, it's restarting. All right, so now we're gonna go to print, pick a photo, and I've just picked this tattoo right here. And let's see, do we print it? Print it. Connect. And print. All right. Here we go, guys. This is how easy this thing is to use. I'm neither a tech guru or a tattoo artist. And if you're a tattoo artist, you've got some pretty good skills and you can deal with this stuff better than me. But I'm just going to show you how this works. Super compact. If you're a traveling tattoo artist, this is perfect. If you're even like doing consultations with people, maybe like at a coffee shop or somewhere else, I mean, this allows you to really get stuff done fast. Go from like, maybe you design stuff on your iPad or your computer. This just allows you to go from like idea in your mind to printed on tattoo paper that you can put on that person real quick. And you can see it's relatively fast as well. So Gonna almost done, almost done. And the value of this, assuming this looks pretty good, is incredible. I mean, it's just so easy to use. There we go. It's right on there. So we are good to go. And just to show you the finished product, that's what's going to go on them. So this worked really well. And honestly, dude, I highly recommend this.